So today we're going to be working on how to play Baby Beluga on the ukulele by Raffi, composed by Raffi. There's totally a video of me when I'm a little kid listening to Raffi on big headphones, sitting in a beanbag chair. That was the best time. This song is pretty simple, so we're going to go through how to play the chords, and then we will go through it a little bit faster, just practicing transitioning, assuming that we are fairly in the beginning stage. If you are not, you can feel free to use the timestamps in the description to get to the part where you need to be. So let's get started. So Baby Beluga is in C. That means we're going to start on a C chord with third finger down on the third fret of the A string. And let's play that once. And then the next chord after that is G7. So we're going to slide this over to the second fret, add second finger to the C string, add first finger to the E string. So you have a little triangle. Make sure you're pressing nice and firm. And G7. Now let's play that one more time for us. And then we're going to lift these up and go back to C. That is pretty much all you need for the first verse. So let's do it in rhythm. We'll do one strum for every 2 beats. So we'll go 1, 2, start on C. 1, 2, C, 2, C, 2. Think about transitioning. G7, G7, 1, 2, 1. Stay on G7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here is C, not yet. Now here's C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, swim so wild and swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, asked a little white whale on the go. So that's the A section. Pretty easy, right? Just 2 chords. Next section is a little more complex, but not too hard. So the B section, we're gonna go F for Baby Beluga. So we're putting our second finger down on the G string, first finger down on the E string. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, then back to C. Next one is a secondary dominant. This is D7. This is not the traditional fingering for D7, but I think it's much easier and I use it all the time. So I take my third finger and I go on the E string second fret, and I take my second finger like that, and that's D7 for me. And then I go to G7. So lift these 2 up and then move them, shift them over to the next strings and add first finger. So let's just practice that transition, D7 to G7. It's a little tricky. Here's D7. 1, 2, ready, go. And switch to G7, ready, go. And back to D7, ready, go. And back to G7, ready, go. And one more time, D7, go. And here's G7, ready, go. And that's it. For the strums, I'm just gonna go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. That's my easiest way. And let's get started. So starting on C for the whole song. Starting on C, and 1, 2, and here's the song right now. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, swim so wild and swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, just a little white whale on the go. F baby beluga, C baby beluga. D7 is the water warm. Is your mama up some of the words. So that's basically the song. Once you learn the parts of it, if you know the form and you know the lyrics, you are good to go. So thank you very much for practicing with me today. I hope you found that helpful. I hope that you are enjoying learning some new songs, and if you have some ideas of what other songs I could teach you, please do let me know in the comments and let me know if you found this helpful. And until next time, stay mindful, stay musical, and stay out of trouble.